found this survey website that will actually pay you for your opinion. Yes, and they also accept people from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Africa, and worldwide. So if you are looking to make money using surveys, the money might not be much, but at least it will pay a few bills. Do well to stick to the end of this video and like this video, give this video a thumbs up. So this particular website has been able to hire over 350,000 people to earn doing surveys, and they have paid over 390,000 US dollars out every month, and they have 3 million surveys to start with every month. So there is always surveys for you to do every month. Imagine they have over 3 million surveys to do every month, and you get to do only 10% of these surveys on a monthly basis. That is really, really great. The name of this website is called Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost, where you drop your opinion. If you are still watching to this moment in this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. So, what is Opinion Outpost? What do they do there? At Opinion Outpost, we have created a thriving community where anyone can sign up to our online survey platform and get rewards for their opinions. We work with partners all around the world. We want to know your opinion and they know how much they are worth. We offer rewards for online surveys across all sorts of different subjects and sectors, which gives you a chance to influence a big decision makers in many areas of our daily lives. You can earn gifts and rewards for fashion, entertainment, and retail brands, and you can even be paid for online surveys via PayPal Point for cash scheme or our virtual Visa prepaid card. Our online community at Opinion Outpost means that you can earn rewards for online survey from the comfort of your home, and no two surveys are the same. No two surveys will give you at the same time. We pay out the equivalent of $390,000 a month to our community through commissioning over 3 million surveys every month. With a diverse range of topics to complete online surveys on, you will never be bored and you will never be short of reward. Yes, so now this is exactly what they do at Opinion Outpost. And there are a lot of frequently asked questions. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'll just go through it. I won't really say much about it. How do Opinion Outpost pay survey work? Why do you conduct surveys? What type of paid online surveys can I take? What survey rewards can I earn? So you will ask me that, if we are not in Nigeria, what other means of payment can we use aside from PayPal? So even the PayPal, they issue PayPal gift card. That is their means of payment. So you can use Amazon gift cards if you are in Nigeria. Yes, you take Amazon gift card. You can use Uber if you are but if you are not, you can use Amazon gift card as your payment option. So all you just have to do is to redeem every gift card you get every month, get paid. It's as easy, as simple as that. So next thing you have to do is to join Opinion Post. So you click on try us for free. You allow it to load. So once you click on try us for free, it says Opinion Outpost, get paid for your opinions. Surveys can be fun. Tell us how you feel to earn gift cards, vouchers, and cash. So the first thing you have to do is to input your email address. Then you follow it with your name, your first name, your last name, then your address line 1, line 2. You can decide to use just one address. It's optional. Then your zip code. Zip codes are usually 5 digits. So you can browse zip code for any location that you are in. Maybe Nigeria, maybe Togo, maybe Ghana, maybe UK, maybe US, anywhere in the world. Then you have your age, you have your gender, male or female. Then you have your password. Please ensure that your password is both in uppercase and lowercase, and it has maybe an asterisk character. One of the character maybe at, hash, dot, hyphen, anyone. Then please interact with the captcha below. It says, I am not a robot. So you can click on I have read and understand the opinion outputs privacy policy. Then you click on the terms and conditions, you accept it, and you click on get started for free. Opinion outpost is actually free to sign up on. So you just click on get started for free. You receive an email in your provided inbox, that's in your provided Gmail inbox. You click on the email, you verify your account, and you start your registration. And also, these are the gift cards that you can get paid in. So in case you are wondering what type of gift cards they pay you when you do this survey, you have PayPal, you have Amazon, you have CVS Pharmacy, you have Apple, you have gift card, we have Massey, we have GameStop, you have Nike, you have Domino's, you have a lot of gift cards here that you can use to receive your payment. And you can exchange any of these gift cards for Naira if you are in Nigeria. Yes, each of them have their conversion rate, just like dollars. So each of them has their conversion rate. So you exchange it with a good gift cards, a reputable gift card company in Nigeria. You can go on Instagram. There are a lot of gift card companies on Instagram that are verified. So you just exchange your gift card and you take your money. So if at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, please do to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And also, if you want me to make videos about surveys, please state it in the comment section. Just type make more survey videos and I would go out and do more and more survey videos that will pay you to work for them. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.